Hey there, this is Joseph at MODEX 2018 in Atlanta, Georgia with IndustrialSage, and I have the honor to be here with Vishal with CHEP. How are you doing today?
Excellent, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So tell me about all the exciting things that you're showcasing today.
Well, a big focus for us today is our carbon neutral half pallet. So as you know, CHEP launched the half pallet about 3.5 years ago in the United States market, and it's a key platform to deliver in-store efficiencies for promoting seasonal and new products for retailers that are focused on promotions. But also we're very excited about the fact that we're piloting the half pallet for replenishment uses. So for when you have heavy product that you want to put in the aisle, how can you take the shelf out and replace it with a half product? And that saves tremendous savings from a store labor perspective, as well as it's been showing to drive sales up for retailers.
Okay, very cool. And are you finding that people are very excited about it right away, or are you seeing that you have to showcase quite a bit before their understanding of what that product is all about?
So there are certain retailers that have adopted the half pallet, and for them this is a natural fit because this is a much more sustainable and much more efficient solution. For things like replenishment, we have a lot of market creation activity to do, so we work with our retail partners all the time to showcase the benefits of that.
Very cool. And what are some of the ways that you're going about to promote that product?
So we use a lot of integrated marketing tools. We use a lot of case studies. We use a lot of trade show work. We use social media. We have efforts around our website and digital track and trace. So a variety of different things to showcase the products.
Okay, and is there any particular method that is perhaps your favorite or you're finding is most effective?
This is a nice method, but one that's near and dear to my heart is when we get up on a stage like we will next week at the Trading Partner Alliance Conference, and we get up with our customers and talk about the value that the product and service and solution has provided in their supply chain. So we'll be able to do that. What better way than a customer to get up and talk about the value that it has provided them and to highlight that as a case study for best practices and wider adoption. So that's probably a personal favorite for me.
Okay, absolutely. So case studies and testimonials, people sharing the success and some of the value that it's already brought them.
Absolutely.
Very cool. Is there anything else that you'd like to talk about today?
Well, just one real thing is for CHEP, sustainability is a key value driver, and we're seeing sustainability at the forefront of many more retail and CPG manufacturing decisions than ever before. And our products and services are extremely sustainable. They're known to drive significant carbon reduction through the share and reuse model. So we're really enthused about our role in shaping the future of supply chains.
That's wonderful. And you're finding that people are pretty excited about that?
Absolutely.
Great. All right. Well, Vishal, again, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.
And good luck this week.
Thanks.